Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: device model, Android version, and enough storage. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up important data and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and make sure battery is above 20% so updates don't stop. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Services, and note the current version. This helps you confirm success later. Once done, clear cache for Play Store and Play Services to remove temporary glitches before applying the main fixes. Now execute the core repairs. Clear cache and storage for both Google Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot. This resolves many corruption issues. If that fails, uninstall Play Store updates or force stop it, then open Play Store and try updating services again. As a last resort, install the matching APK manually. Make sure you choose the correct architecture and signature, because mismatched packages cause more problems. After installation, reboot and check the version to confirm the update applied properly. Finish by re-enabling background data and account sync, then confirm Google Play Services shows the updated version in App Info. This verifies functionality. If you still see authentication or sync errors, remove and re-add your Google account. This resets tokens and often clears lingering failures. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is blocking updates. Disable suspect apps and retry. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall the offending app. Otherwise, consider a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.